our channel. This is our first video, so we're super excited. I'm Taylor.
I'm Jenna.
And we're roommates, and today we're going to be dyeing Jenna's hair, so let's get into it.
That was beautiful.
I feel a bit more confident about that one. So, just a quick disclaimer here, I'm not a hairstylist. This is kind of just a hobby of mine.
I didn't realize you needed an assistant.
Yeah.
I could have been told that.
I'm not the mixer.
Okay, so
Her hair is already pretty dark. She not recently, but
yeah, like 2 months ago.
2 months ago dyed it another kind of black color.
This one's shinier.
Next, we're going to be doing a blue
No,
black.
I didn't agree to that.
So stay tuned for that.
That was never agreed upon.
I guess we're doing like the whole head, eh?
Yes, please.
And like we said, guys, we're going to be giving Jenna a nice haircut after this. So that'll be the more interesting part. And we'll meet you back here when this is all over, because this part's, again, pretty boring. Hey guys, so we're back. We're almost done her head here. Just a couple of root touch-ups. Jenna's hoping to do her eyebrows as well to get that nice, even color match. So basically all I'm doing here, I've sectioned off both sides of her head. Everything's pretty well coated. So now I'm just gonna go back in and like touch up anything that I think could use a bit more dye. What do you guys think so far?
So cute.
Comment down below, guys, how do you think our hair is gonna look? I'm just gonna go around her head now, make sure her hairline is all coated. Make sure her sideburns.
Sideburns?
Yeah.
Fuck you, sideburns. Give it a nice little French twist.
It's a twist.
It's a French twist. Ah! Fuck!
Oh, sorry.
Try not to dig into your client's scalp.
Do you know what though? That's the fun of it when you're doing your friends and family. It doesn't matter.
I don't know, I might not leave a tip.
It's free. Oh my god, it's gonna look so good.
I wonder if it's actually gonna look that different.
Probably not. Your fucking ear is like covered.
I have a black ear now.
Did you get frostbite?
Ah! That hurts. Should we do front bangs? I kid. I totally kid. I can't style front bangs.
Beautiful. Okay guys, we'll meet you back here in about 20-25 minutes. So we're back. Jenna has washed her hair. It's looking darker.
It's wet.
It's looking pretty even. So we're gonna get to cutting. So Jenna has picked her desired hairstyle. You can also put a little picture up on the screen.
Can I put this tea bag on here?
Sure.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Sorry.
So yeah, so this doesn't seem too complicated, I don't think. Again, quick disclaimer, I'm not a hairdresser, but yeah, like I feel like I kind of get the concept.
She's super confident.
So what I get from this is it's kind of 2 layers.
We haven't really agreed on that fact.
It's 2 like main layers, essentially, right?
Yeah, for sure.
So we're gonna get the hair as wet as we possibly can. Jenna here has naturally, I would say, wavy hair.
Frizzy.
But she usually does style it, so we're keeping that in mind. So I think Jenna wants to keep it as long as possible. Is that what you're going for?
Yeah, I mean, like, I'm okay to take, like, a couple inches off, but I wouldn't want it, like, above my shoulder. Like, shoulder length would be okay,
Okay.
but that's absolute shortest. We finish and it's pixie cut.
And, like, again, I mean, hair's pretty, flexible. Do you know what I mean? So it doesn't have to be
Where did you read that?
perfect. It has to be close, but If it's like a little, like, you know, a couple centimeters off, like it's not.
That's a lot.
No, trust me.
No, a couple centimeters with hair is a lot. I think you need millimeters.
Sure.
Sure.
Okay, so you want like the first layer to be like what here?
I can't see what you're doing.
Chin vibes.
Yeah, chin vibes.
So this is kind of like, you know, change your direction.
It might be a couple centimeters off, but hey, you know.
It's free. We're gonna work in small increments.
Oh.
How's that? For length.
That looks good. Yeah.
And then I'm just gonna, again, start taking small sections, and then I'm basically gonna pull it in with the piece that I just cut to match the length of the hair.
Do you think my tea's ready? No? I'm going for it. I wasn't ready. I wish I could style front bangs. They look so good when they're styled well.
Why can't you?
Because, like, I don't know how to blow dry to save my life. Like, that roll that they do.
Oh, I know.
I can't do that. I've tried and I just, like, drop either the dryer or, like, the brush on my face. And, like, I've tried it with, like, a curling iron, a straightener. And they look so, the straightener, they go out like that.
Well,
like,
it's
even if you,
hard.
like, try to, like, flick it.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not, like, amazing at styling my hair, but I've never been able to do bangs.
It's hard with curly hair, though.
Yeah, it is. I feel like even my kind of curly hair, too, like, the texture, it's so, I don't know.
The layers are already coming.
Love that.
Beautiful. How much bounce back does your hair have?
I have no idea what that means or how to answer that. It's like a medium amount. Average.
It's okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Jenna, aren't you excited?
I don't know. I don't know what I'm feeling.
How confident are you in my abilities?
Like on a scale of 1 to 10?
Sure.
Oh,
How do you feel when the chops like come out?
I feel nervous the whole time. There's no difference when the chops come out.
I'll show you guys. I cut my mom's hair a couple weekends ago, and not to toot my own horn or anything,
That's what Taylor's all about.
but it was pretty good. So like roughly how much do you think this is saving you? Just curious.
Like for the dye and cut,
Yeah, like this whole experience.
like a solid $200.
Wow.
We'll see if it's worth it at the end.
Like, it's
See,
already looking good.
I'm picky about my hair. You can't say it looks good when it's wet. Like what?
Sorry.
That's okay.
True. Sorry.
I
I got a bit naughty.
Ooh. Are you doing like middle part?
Yeah.
Nice.
Hope that's okay.
Has to be now. You're halfway down my head.
Pretty much. Did you tell your parents we're doing this?
No. I feel like they tried to talk me out of it.
Like, Jenna will pay for it.
Yeah. They'd be like, money's not a problem, it's fine. I love getting it styled though. That's like my favorite part, the blow dry.
Yeah.
It always looks so good.
Okay, you're gonna get a bit doused.
Fuck.
My technique.
It's okay if it's off by a couple centimeters. Ah!
Oh, what happened?
You just whip it in the eye.
Sorry.
Fuck! Jesus day.
Whew, that was a big one.
Woo!
You just feel lighter.
Yeah.
Pretty close. Pretty much perfect, actually.
If I do say so myself.
I feel like it's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Okay, guys, like 2 hours later, we're finally finished. Jenna has yet to see herself.
Was it? It wasn't actually 2 hours.
I feel like the whole process.
Oh, yeah.
I hope she loves her hair. Might be a bit shorter than she was expecting. But that seems to always be how it goes. That's just like a hairdresser trait. Like, you know, you always leave the hairdresser and you say maybe an inch and it turns into like 3 inches.
I think it looks good.
Look at me. So cute. What do we think, guys? Perfect. It looks pretty even. What do you think?
Yeah, no, it definitely looks even. I'm just very curious how it's gonna dry. Cause it feels a little top heavy and then really like light here.
Yeah.
So I'm curious how that'll dry, but we shall see.
As long as possible.
But I wouldn't want it like above my shoulder. Pixie cut. All free.
Hey guys, welcome back. So this is Jenna's hair now. It's been a full day. So this was completely free for Jenna.
We did hear that someone would have paid $400 for this.
So that really boosted my confidence.
Yeah.
So
From this morning when there was distress, we won't lie.
there was a little panic on
Yeah.
Jenna's side of things, but I was always very confident.
She was very calm. I don't know, but
We did a quick little makeup for Jenna just to, you know, test out her new hair.
boost the confidence a bit.
Boost some confidence, see how it looks with like a full face of makeup.
Yeah.
We went for a nice soft look.
Day look.
A nice soft day look, but you could easily just like dress it up for night if you really wanted to.
Yeah.
So we'll show you guys a bit of a close-up of that. We kind of had to
Rejig.
rejig the whole style, so as you could tell it looks completely different, but that's okay.
Yeah.
We had to cut it a bit. You guys can probably see when I was showing you guys it wet, Jenna's kind of initial reaction to it. We had to basically cut the longer layer shorter. Jenna just didn't like it. It looked okay.
But the texture of my hair, it was a little bit too thin on the bottom. So
Yeah.
next time we know to keep it thicker on the bottom.
Yeah, so like if Jenna still wants to do this style in the future, I think she's gonna trust me to maybe give it another go. But yeah, this is her hair. It's a lot shorter than she was maybe
It's a little saucier.
wanting. But what are your thoughts?
I love it. It feels really light and fun.
Amazing.
Yeah, no, it'll be super easy to style. This is my natural hair, so it's nice that I don't have to curl it all the time, which I would have had to do with the other style, so.
Yeah, and like we can show a couple more videos styling this hairstyle maybe, but I do think it looks probably best natural.
Natural, yeah.
I'm thinking.
Which we all want. We don't want to have to spend time,
No,
you know, with the
time
flat
consuming.
iron.
Yeah, so it's gonna be super manageable, which is nice. But yeah.
And the color, we haven't really talked about the color.
true,
We
true.
did go darker.
Yeah, what do you guys think? Nice and black.
Tinted the eyebrows. It's
Yes.
a must when you're a natural blonde.
Jenna's eyebrows are like non-existent
See-through.
when there's no dye on them. So yeah.
Just for men, beard tint really does the trick.
If you guys want to see a tutorial on that,
Yeah.
we can definitely do that. It's pretty easy. It might be like a 2-minute tutorial,
Yeah.
but that's okay. But yeah, let us know what you guys think of Jenna's hair. If you guys want to see any like makeup tutorials, again, we kind of just have fun with makeup. We're not really experts or anything. But yeah.
I don't personally know how to do my makeup, so Taylor really steps in and clears the way. That's really the dynamic. She does my hair, does my makeup, and I really enjoy it.
Jenna's just like my little doll that I
Yeah.
play with, my real life doll. But yeah, so let us know if you guys want to see any like makeup tutorials, if that interests you at all. Again, like we just like to play around with it. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out with us today. Thanks for sticking around for the big reveal of Jenna's hair. Thanks for watching our first video. Thank you so much.
No, thank you.
Have any suggestions or interested in seeing any videos in the future, just throw them down in the comments and we'll definitely
Try them.
yeah.
That's what we do.
So whatever you want to see, just let us know. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.